Alright, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Jason Hoku, and I'm here to talk about free web services because you know what? There are a lot of options out there. Almost, a dozen even decent options, right? When it comes to Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy, Google, Microsoft has their own. You could go with Azure, you could go with Amazon. And the question is, what do you choose? Well, you could choose any of them, and they all have free tiers to them, basically. But I'm here to talk about Google Firebase, their free services, their quotas, and why it is the right choice when it goes to choosing hosting for your web app. And basically, if you're an indie business owner, if you're a hobby coder, or even just somebody who's trying to get some data online, get it out there, maybe interact with it. It can all be done very easily with Google tools for free. Okay? Or getting your own domain as little as running your website or web app for around $1 a month. And compared to GoDaddy, Squarespace, or Wix, which happen to own the market right now, they are charging $25 a month and asking for a year down. So you're looking at a $300 investment right away to start any web app or online self-promoted adventure that doesn't just completely give away your content control to Etsy or to Facebook shops or whatever, Shopify. You want to run your own website, you lead people to your content, you show them your networks, and you control what they're seeing because you do not want to give away any aspect of the content and control that you're providing. So anyway, let's begin, huh? So, Firebase, let's go down a bit here, offers such an intensely great free plan here. As you can see, 10,000 authentications per month, phone verification, 10 gigabytes of free storage, 20,000 a day document writes. What this means is you can write to their database every 3 seconds for free, right? And it doesn't even say how big of a write you can do. And from my tests, there seems to be like very little limit. You could put, ridiculous amounts of information in that 3-second poll. And so, there's a lot of potential here and possibility. I personally have tools set up like notepads, live chat, product management, active uploading, right? Let me show you some of these utilities out here that I got running here at my site. It's very simple. You go to your site, you log in, the auto login's handled, sign in with Google. It does the request to the app. You get your response. You get lots of utilities. And from here, you can actually actively edit and write your database. This is all set up in a moderator panel in a click to interface tool that's a lot like GoDaddy, Squarespace, or Wix, and it's completely free. So why are people paying $300 a year or more? Apparently some of these people pay more. When you lose content control, you lose community. Basically, you're spending money out of your community's pocket to pay another community. And we're supporting so anyway, yeah, this is why I'm here to say that it's been extremely easy to integrate basically any need that I've had, any function or desire that my clients have had when it comes to, hey, I need a live streaming API, hey, I need to manage my users, hey, I need to manage payment systems, subscription services, tier systems. I'm like, yeah, let me just throw you on my stack. I have 7 projects. Each project is allowed 10 gigabytes of space. They all have their separated quotas. I'm like, really? And they'll give you more. I have 7 projects already, so that's 70 gigabytes, and also each one gets the 20,000 writes a day, so I could even have them interacting between one another. And Google's fine with it because they're very generously giving and very rich. And There are other ways. I have experimented with running my own servers, but basically we need powerful internet that just potentially our infrastructure, at least my infrastructure, doesn't really have here. With my upload speed of 4 megabytes a second, I can barely host a couple images at the same time, let alone two people streaming HD video. So, you know, these are the state of things we're in right now, and yeah, so I'm gonna be working in this stack primarily, studying and understanding the Firebase document collection utilities. I have active authentication running, as you can see, reading, writing, and yeah, I'm gonna be releasing series of videos, tutorials in JavaScript, working with Create React app. Yeah, and the Google Firebase stack. So stay tuned if you are interested in learning more about those softwares, languages, and styles and techniques. You know, I think in the last couple years I've released a few videos here and there, and I've got actually really good feedback on many of them. And so, you know, if you're interested, you know, like, subscribe, share. I'll do my best to keep the content good and quick and paceful and well focused on the job at hand. And, you know, thanks for tuning in. Hope you've had an informative and educational lesson here. If you have any questions, definitely reach out. Comments, you know how to do it. It's the internet. You click a couple buttons, tippity tap. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to floss and count and have a variety of proteins. That's gonna be my new exit, I'm thinking. Well, whatever. We'll figure it out. Anyway, Jason Hoku, have a great one. Tune in out.